The truth about Perplexity's computer for counsel. AI lawyer or marketing hype? Imagine having the world's best lawyer sitting right inside your pocket, ready to review contracts, draft legal notices, and parse complex statutes at 3 a.m. That is exactly what the viral posts on your feed are claiming right now about Perplexity's massive new launch. They are calling it a revolutionary AI attorney that is going to put law firms out of business. But is that actually true? Or are we just looking at another massive case of Silicon Valley marketing hype? Today, we are cutting through the noise. We are looking at exactly what Perplexity just launched with their Computer for Counsel feature, what it can actually do for you, its critical limitations, and whether it's truly worth your money. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use this tool like a pro, and when relying on it blindly could land you in serious trouble. Part 1. What actually launched? Let's start with the facts and strip away the marketing fluff. What Perplexity actually introduced is called Computer for Counsel. This isn't just a standard chatbot prompt, it is a highly specialized, legal-focused workflow built directly into Perplexity's enterprise and power user ecosystems. Think of it as a specialized control center designed for lawyers, legal teams, small business owners, and enterprises. Instead of just answering generic questions, it is built to handle the heavy lifting of legal administration. First, it reviews contracts and dense legal documents, breaking down terrifyingly complex legalese into plain human English. Second, it can actively research actual statutes, regulations, and case law. Third, it acts as a drafting assistant, generating first-pass memos, demand letters, and formal legal notices. But the real secret weapon here isn't just the AI's brain, it's who the AI talks to. Perplexity built this system to connect directly to the infrastructure legal teams already use. We are talking about integrations with Midpage, NetDocuments, DocuSign, Box, and Google Drive. It bridges the gap between searching for information and actually executing a workflow. Part 2. Debunking the phone lawyer. Myth. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Is this really the world's best lawyer inside your phone? The short answer is no, absolutely not. And to be completely fair, even Perplexity says it isn't. That lawyer in your phone phrase is pure, unadulterated marketing language designed to grab headlines. If you look at the fine print, Perplexity explicitly states that this system does not replace human lawyers. Instead, it is designed to automate the grueling, time-consuming hours of preliminary research and document review. The core philosophy of the system is built around a trust but verify model. It forces a human loop, allowing attorneys, or savvy everyday users, to verify every single legal citation before relying on it for a real-world case. It's an assistant, not an autonomous agent with a bar license. Part 3. What is actually true? The green flags. With that reality check out of the way, let's talk about what this tool can actually do, because the reality is still incredibly impressive. There are 4 major green flags that make Computer for Counsel a game changer. First, it is phenomenal at explaining complex contracts in plain English. If you've ever stared at a 40-page commercial lease agreement and felt your eyes glaze over, this tool can summarize it, highlight your obligations, and flag potential risks in seconds. Second, it can pinpoint specific relevant clauses within massive agreements. You can upload a massive terms of service document and simply ask, where does it talk about intellectual property rights? And it will take you right to it. Third, it drafts excellent first-pass legal notices and letters. If you need to write a formal security deposit demand letter to a landlord or an initial non-disclosure agreement, it gives you a highly professional starting point. But fourth, and most importantly, every single answer includes citations. Unlike standard chatbots that just hallucinate answers out of thin air, Computer for Counsel links its answers directly back to real-world statutes, regulations, court opinions, or the specific documents you uploaded. You can click the source and read the real text yourself. Part 4. The critical limitations. However, we have to talk about the dangers, because using an AI for legal matters without understanding its limits is a recipe for disaster. First and foremost, this tool is not a substitute for professional legal advice, especially when it comes to complex disputes. If you are facing a massive lawsuit or negotiating a multi-million-dollar merger, an AI cannot strategize for you. Second, jurisdiction is a nightmare. Laws differ wildly by country, state, and even local municipalities. What is perfectly legal in Texas might be completely illegal in California or New York. While the AI tries to account for this, it can easily miss hyper-local nuances. Third, AI can still misunderstand complex factual contexts. Legal language relies heavily on intent and context. A single word out of place can completely change the liability in a contract, and AI can still gloss over those subtle shifts. The golden rule here is simple. Always verify the citations and consult a qualified lawyer before you file a lawsuit, sign a major contract, or make life-altering legal decisions. Part 5. Practical, real-world use cases. So, who is this actually for? If it's not replacing lawyers, who benefits? For everyday consumers and small business owners, this tool is an absolute lifesaver for standard, day-to-day documents. Think about things like rental and lease agreements, standard employment contracts, independent contractor agreements, NDAs, and basic service contracts. It's also incredible for understanding your consumer rights. If a company denies you a refund, you can use the tool to parse the consumer protection laws in your state to see if you have a leg to stand on. But perhaps the best use case for the average person is preparation. Instead of walking into a lawyer's office blindly, where the clock is ticking at $400 an hour, you can use Perplexity to analyze your situation beforehand. You can generate a summary of your issue and a highly intelligent list of targeted questions to hand to your attorney, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in consultation fees. Part 6. The Ruthless Mentor Verdict. If we have to give this launch a definitive score, the impact lands at a solid 9 out of 10. Here is the ruthless truth. This isn't replacing attorneys, but it is replacing the thousands of hours paralegals and junior associates spend doing grueling preliminary legal research. For non-lawyers, it completely levels the playing field, helping you understand exactly what you are signing before you put pen to paper. Think of it strictly as an AI legal research assistant with elite source verification. The massive advantage here is that it points you directly to primary legal sources, instead of asking you to take its word for it. It forces transparency in an industry that has traditionally been locked behind a wall of expensive legalese. Part 7. Step-by-step guide, how to use it. If you want to test out this new workflow for yourself, here is exactly how to do it. First, head over to Perplexity and sign into your account. Second, you will need to be on a supported plan. While free users get some perks, full access to the automated legal workflow requires a paid subscription, either Perplexity Pro, Perplexity Max, or an enterprise account. Third, once you're logged into a supported plan, look at your home screen and click or tap the new computer icon. Fourth, select Start a Task. Fifth, this is where you input your prompt or upload your files. You can upload a PDF of a contract and type something like, "Explain this lease agreement in plain English," or "What are the specific termination clauses in this employment contract?" or even, "Draft a security deposit demand letter based on the attached lease." Sixth, if you want the system to work seamlessly across your files, take a moment to securely connect your Google Drive, Box, or DocuSign accounts, so the AI can access your documents without you needing to manually download and upload them every single time. Now, a quick pro tip. If you log in and don't see that computer icon anywhere, don't panic. It means your account either doesn't have access yet as Perplexity rolls this out to paid subscribers in waves, or you are still on the free tier. However, there is great news for free users. Even if you don't pay a dime, Perplexity's new integration with Midpage allows everyone to search through millions of US statutes, regulations, and court opinions for free. You won't get the automated computer workflow or document drafting, but you still get access to one of the most powerful legal search engines in existence. At the end of the day, Perplexity's Computer for Counsel isn't a robot lawyer ready to represent you in court, but it is one of the most practical applications of AI we have seen this year. It turns a painful, multi-hour research project into a 2-minute conversation. Go try out the Midpage integration or log into your Pro account to test the computer workflow on your next contract. Just remember, read the citations, double-check the sources, and leave the courtroom battles to the humans. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest, no-hype AI reviews, and let me know in the comments below. Would you trust an AI to review your next employment contract? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.